In this video, you will learn how to use the card feature to group documents in Core for Capital projects. Log in using your credentials. On the area page, select an area and then click the area. Navigate to the Documents tab. If you do not find any document, select Browse and select the required folder. Let's see how to use the cart icon with a plus or minus in the document row. To start with, let's see how to add documents from the selected folder to the area cart. Use the cart with plus to add documents. If a document is added to cart, it appears with minus. To remove a document from the cart, click the cart with minus. The area cart displays the total item count for that area. Note that you can add 200 documents to the area cart. You can use the cart at the header level to add or remove all the documents in the current page to the area cart. Click the area cart to view all the items and click here to refresh the items. You can use the icons I and view the content to view and manage the document properties and content. You can click the titles in the header to sort the items in cart. For example, if you click Document, the documents in the area cart are sorted in alphabetical order. You can download the items in your cart. If there are multiple items, then all items are downloaded to a zip package. If you have a single item, it is downloaded directly. That's how you use the cart feature to group the documents. For more tips on how to use the other options in Core for Capital projects, check out the other videos in this series.